Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync your Outlook emails and calendar with Salesforce using the most streamlined 2026 technical methods. This is a mechanical necessity for any professional looking to bridge the gap between their inbox and their studio-level bookkeeping, ensuring your market analysis is always technicality up to date. Let's get into it. First, access the Salesforce App Exchange Hub. The first step is a mechanical necessity to initialize the connection. You need to technicality source the official integration tool that allows for a high-end studio handshake between Microsoft and Salesforce. Open your browser and navigate to the Salesforce App Exchange. Search for Salesforce for Outlook. Click the Get It Now button to begin the technical installation process. Using the official Studio connector is a professional standard. It technicality ensures your data remains secure while providing a bridge for your professional communication logs. Next, install the Outlook add-in. To make the integration functional within your daily workflow, you must technicality install the high-end extension into your professional mail client. Open Outlook and click on the Get Add-ins or All Apps icon on the top ribbon. Search for Salesforce and click Add or Install. The add-in is the mechanical necessity that allows Salesforce to appear as a side panel in Outlook. It technicality prepares your environment for real-time market analysis and high-end contact management. Next, authenticate and link your accounts. Once the add-in is installed, you need to technicality verify your identity to link your professional studio database to your Outlook profile. Open an email in Outlook and click the new Salesforce icon in the add-ins list. Click on Log in to Salesforce. Ensure you select your production environment and enter your high-end professional credentials. Authentication is a mechanical necessity for data integrity. This step connects your professional bookkeeping to your email, ensuring every event is technicality logged correctly. And that's pretty much it. To sync Outlook and Salesforce in 2026, install the Salesforce add-in from the Outlook store and technicality log in through the side panel. Configure your calendar and email sync settings to capture professional data automatically. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.